Hi, today we'll discuss hard and soft consonants in the Russian language. As I said in my previous video, most Russian consonants can be hard or soft, depending on a word. I also gave a couple of examples of hard and soft consonants. This idea doesn't exist in English or in most European languages. The closest example from another language would be the Spanish letters ene and ñ. The Spanish ene kinda resembles the hard n in Russian, and ñ resembles the Russian soft ñ. N, ñ. Let's try to apply this idea to other Russian consonants. Whether a consonant is hard or soft depends on what goes after it. If it's in the very end of the word and there is nothing after it, it will remain hard. If it's followed by one of these vowels, a, o, u, e, y, it will remain hard as well. Once again, a hard consonant can be followed by vowels a, o, u, e, y. Repeat after me. Ba, bo, bu, be, by. If a consonant is followed by a soft sign or one of these vowels, ya, yo, you, ye, I, it will become soft. Compare these, please. B, b, ba, bya, bo, byo, bu, byu, be, be, by, bi. Let me also remind you that the Russian vowels ya, yo, you, ye have the y sound in them, only it disappears when they are following a consonant. How about another example, the consonant p? Let's see how it can be hard or soft. P, p, pa, pya, po, pyo, pu, pyu, pe, pe, pi, pi. If you can barely hear the difference between hard and soft consonants in Russian, don't be too hard on yourself. Keep in mind that this is a new idea for a foreigner, and one has to get used to it. Through time and practice, you'll get the idea better. Just keep trying. Some consonants in Russian are always hard, no matter what goes after them. Such consonants are zh, sh, and ц. You would often see these letters together, but you never should struggle to read them as soft consonants like zh, sh, zhi, shi. As they're always hard, you would always read them as zh, sh, zhi, shi, цы, or zhe, she, ce. Always hard. Let me know if it makes sense. And on the opposite, the Russian che and sha are always soft. So you would see these syllables and you would always read them as cha, sha, chu, shu, and never cha, sha, chu, shu. It doesn't work like that. You never say it in Russian because che and sha in Russian are always soft. Next time, I'll share a complete exercise on hard and soft syllables in Russian that will be very helpful for learning how to read in Russian. See you then!